Mark this day, World Wildlife Day. Food chain, ecological balance, forest conservation, sustainable development. Hope these terms are familiar to you. Humans, at the helm of creation, overexploited their freedom and subdued the nature and all within it, resulting in the extinction of many of the animals and plants from the face of the earth. Realizing the alarming situation, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 3rd March as UN World Wildlife Day. When the Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora was signed in 1973. It was done to celebrate and raise awareness of the world's wild animals and plants. The UNGA resolution also designated CITES Secretariat as the facilitator for the global observance of this special day for wildlife on the UN calendar. World Wildlife Day has now become the most important global annual event dedicated to wildlife. Today, approximately 5,800 species of animals and 30,000 species of plants are protected by CITES. As we all know, due to the devastating impacts of climate change, not only humans but all the species are at risk. Losing the wildlife and plants not only results in the extinction of some of these species but also losing opportunities to improve our lives. Today, about 40% of modern medicines come from plants of the rainforests. That is an impressive statistic when we consider that only 5% of Amazon plant species have been studied for their potential medicinal benefits. Estimates suggest that the total number of fungi species in the world exceeds 5 million, yet fewer than 100,000 of these have been described. How many other amazing opportunities for improving our health and social development are we missing due to the high rates of habitat and species lost? Last year, it was declared that the rapid loss of biodiversity is just as catastrophic for humanity as climate change. 1 million animal and plant species are now threatened with extinction, with serious consequences for human beings as well as the rest of life on Earth. The richness of species and the interactions among all living creatures is what makes Earth an inhabitable planet. If we lose this richness, our own existence is at risk. Humans will soon become the fastest endangered species if we continue down this path. So let us be generous to the nature. Let us make this world a better place than we received it and hand it over to the next generation.